So now that we've logged in, we logged our user, we can see the user name down here with the sessions. If we look up here at the header or at the navbar, we can see that down here when we're logged in, we're still showing the login and the register tags down here, or the links. So we don't actually need those. Of course, we need like some other link that would show us like the username, or some drop down menu and will show us a profile link and some logout link so we can log out. And this is what we're going to be doing in this video. Plus we're going to be changing the directories or the links for those down here. If we can see that down here we have some like HTML stuff, like HTML names and stuff like that. We're going to be changing those. So let's go ahead first and go to the header, the includes. Here is our header, and of course we have everything in the session down over here. This is actually the center or the start of the session. We go over here to the links. We need to check for the session, and if the session is right there, we are going to be like leaving those two links down here, and we are going to take like some drop down menu from Bootstrap. We are going to be grabbing it right now. And if it's not logged in or the session is not there, we are going to be showing those two. And either way, we are going to show this link down here, which is the link for the contact page, right? So if we go ahead down here, start PHP F is set the session for the username, which is the only session that we did. Actually, we can do multiple sessions, of course. So we are saying if is set session the username, and we can just start using the shorthand form of the PHP, the shorthand form of the if statements, because it's a lot more cleaner. So if it's set, we're gonna go down here and leave those, and if it's not, else we are going to be showing those to the login and the register, and we are going to end this if down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to Bootstrap so we can grab the drop down menu, like Google in Bootstrap 5 navbar. Sorry about that. So the internet is basically bad. I'm sorry about that. So we're actually right here in the navbar, and we need to grab our drop down menu, which is right down over here. We can grab it just like that. If we go ahead, of course we need it down over here. Let's take it right all the way. Right, so if we save, we can actually like go over here and print out our own session. User name. And if we save, go over here, refresh, you can see that just because we're logged in, the login and the register tags down here are now gone. Of course, we need like, let's go over here and do margin top 3 pixels maybe, and this is like a Bootstrap class. If you know Bootstrap, this should be really easy for you. We're just giving a margin top. Okay, we know we want some space down here, and yeah, that's now it looks nice. So if we go ahead to the action and we go profile, and down here we go log out, and maybe we don't need those two down here. And if we save, refresh, you can see that down here we got the profile and that we got the log out. So you can go ahead now and change those down here. We can go ahead at this one, we can go clean log, and this is for like the home or the index, and for this one we can also go clean log /post /create.html. we can change this like rename, we can change all of them now to PHP. Okay, all right, so if we rename PHP, and this one also PHP, and for this one contact rename PHP. Right, so it looks nice. So if we go down here, yeah, so the clean blog, and we actually need those down here, we need the slash. All right, so now the home and the create, and we have like down here the login. We can go, maybe we need to steal those. We need the posts down here. Yeah, no, it's not, we don't need this, sorry about that. If we go down here, auth / and the register is also in the auth folder. So if we save, and this is like clean -log, and this is like PHP, and this is of course PHP, this PHP right here, and PHP right over here. So looks great. So if we save, let's go ahead and refresh. You can see that if we like hover over here, you can see that right now it's giving us the path to our own file. So if we click on it, we can go actually to the create, and of course like we got the login and the register back, because the header in the create is still the old header. We did not get the header, we did not get this new header down over here in the create. All right, so of course we are going to be like doing this later when we create the creating page, when we create our posts, but we need to go ahead right now and destroy the session. So if we go over here, maybe we will like put this file in the auth file, file log out.php. All right, and we need to go ahead PHP, and now we can start the session start. We need to start the session so we can actually destroy it. Down here, session unset, session destroy. And after we destroy the session, we need to hit back to the header with the header function location, and we need to go back to the index page, and we can go ahead and just grab this /index.php and save. We actually forgot in the header that right here to go over here in the logout page and refer to this page. Of course, we need to can grab something from here, and we can go auth/logout.php. We save this right now. If we refresh, we go right over here. Yeah, if we go actually to the index, and as you can see right here, we have our own session right here. If we go over here, you can see that right down here we have our own file. If we click on logout, you can see that right now we actually got undefined index. Yeah, of course. Let's just go ahead, comment this for a second. This will trigger an error because there is no sessions right now. All right, so but as we're saying right down here, we actually got our index.php. And yeah, this is it for this video, and in the next one I'm going to show you like some stuff about the sessions. Also, we need like to hide some files and all of that. Okay, so thanks for this one, and see you on the next video.